boy, yeah, my people, FLF TV, your number one entertainment blog. On a day, I'll say a day alright, I'll say a day tight. I go by the name Honcho. I don't forget, if this is your first time of watching this, don't forget to like, come pursue. Don't forget to share, unnecessary. And don't forget to subscribe or to come pursue unnecessary more. Alone, you guys support each other alone. And thanks for the support so far. Alright, on the sharply note, today, I get gist for now. I don't go anywhere, I did for now. We come back, don't go anywhere. Don't forget waiting. This bread what? Obi agege.
Welcome to FCliff TV, your entertainment plug. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new videos updates.
Alright, my people, we're back. Are you there? Yeah, there. Okay. Yeah, let's go. It's trending. Let's go. It's trending. When we carry each other, go with it on so for it's trending. Zlatan Ibile and Copy, DJ Copy. Waiting dey occur for this celebrity. Waiting the corner side, the passing in any waiting dey happen. Recently, let me say recently, DJ Copy just tweet say, okay, we don't know why Zlatan block am for all social media, including WhatsApp. Say Zlatan block am, say we were friends. Yeah, she said, and I quote, we were actually friends, we were actually cool friends or something. And Gelato was a hit. And everything DJ Copy talk. We don't know wetin dey happen. Shey grab. So now later we dey see say the matter dey trend. So let me say this week, Zlatan went for an interview with Obas signing Zanku Records. Na so the interviewer ask am say, wetin dey occur between man DJ Copy? Shey you know wetin Zlatan talk? He said, do you mean Kosi boobs? You dey feel me? You mean Kosi boobs? Everybody don bust say, shey Zlatan dey whine. They come ask am say, and he said, DJ Copy Omo Tedola. Zlatan was like, sorry, is that an artist? Omo, okay? We don't know wetin happen. Shey grab. But the gist wey we dey hear now, na say, no be, I don't know, but the gist wey we dey hear, I say from Davido Camp, DMW, Israel DMW precisely. He said, DJ Copy actually took Zlatan after Gelato, the song, the video. He took Zlatan to Abuja for this Copy Foundation of a thing. And after everything, on the norm, Baba suppose collect money. Olowo he learn for this 2021. Check graph. So the gist now say, wetin is your GMW talk now say, DJ Copy no pay Zlatan anything. Say na Zlatan use the money, collect accommodation for Transcorp Hotel, chop, run things. Say na Zlatan money. He take all on everything. Say DJ Copy no do anything. Say till tomorrow, baby no pay am. Say and so Zlatan just go for their say can you come. Check graph. But as it be now, we don't know wetin dey sup. This week, Zlatan dey. I don't know wetin dey do Zlatan. Baba just dey tweet some kind tweet wey be say, ṣé chinko bobo enya, making bobo en so just dey hide. In the but if you dey follow am, you dey follow the tweet, check graph. You go feel say Baba dey pass one message, but you don't want burst kasala. I don't know why burst there. Kilo shele, check graph. But he just dey do summer. And so DJ Copy come. I don't even know wetin DJ Copy. He just tweet something. #free copy. This matter like this, we don't know wetin dey sup. But wetin me I know na Zlatan na OG. DJ Copy, well, she's my crush actually. Check grab. But at this point, I don't know who they at fault. But based on wetin we hear, I dey always reason say DJ Copy say if I see DJ Copy say I drop Nkofun boys now, but oya look away. Yeah. As they go dey gist now. Zlatan DJ Copy, the matter never die, you. You just calm down small. But I still know say this matter, boom. Don't sleep on it. You feel me? Let's go. Okay. Is it Shilo, Silot? I don't know this pronunciation. Honestly, I'm telling you guys, I don't know this pronunciation. But let me describe it for you. I just come online. I see Bobby, Lord of Jesus. God, I'm a child of God. I just see different kind of red light, everything. Just the pass goes back. Before I check out, my data don't finish. So I say, I mean like this. I cannot kill myself. Check out. Shilo's challenge. I know I'm sorry about the pronunciation. I don't know the pronunciation, but I shall say if I talk now go grab back. This challenge, the trend gone, the trend gone. Everybody just dey showcase, all these girls just dey showcase asset. Oh no, opo anyhow. This thing dey give me joy, but let's not talk about it. My dad is a pastor. I'm a pastor. I'm a child of God. I mean, I don't do such. Yeah, I gotta keep it only. Serious challenge, me I dey follow. I don't know if you dey follow. Me I dey follow. Small, but don't get addicted. You know, me. I don't want wahala. Perusis voice. I don't want wahala. Okay, so Shilot, do your day. Me say I do my day. Let's go. Okay, let me sharply chip this in. If you're a movie lover, Power Book 2 Season 2. Yeah. It's coming soon. Honestly, if you follow me, I follow Power. So I just say make I gist now. If you don't follow Power, make I sharply tell now what's in it. So Power is about drug. In short, it's just self-explanatory. Power, anything Power is about drug movie, grab, eye crime. And for this movie, if you know, say your papa na pastor, you na pastor, you be, I don't know, I be church person, but grab. But if you know say you don't like a lot of this outside world, don't go for Power, because they carry drug, then smoke, then knack. You dey feel me? Are you there? Okay? They knack well, grab. Power na very mature movie. Wey be say since I don't know what time since, let me say 2016 and up to now, the suspense wey dem put me for goes don die. I read like this, hey, but as e dey hot, I go dey gist una Power. So if you are following Power, don't sleep on it. It's coming soon. Okay, that's that about trending. Now let's go to, there are some collabos we go drop this year. We be banger. Are you there? You are there. Okay. There are some collabos we go drop. Let me start with Badoo and Baddest. Yeah, Olamide and Davido. Last year, that was last year. Before Davido dropped this album, A Better Time, there was this scene that we saw. There's this picture that we saw where Badoo and Baddest, they are actually where Badoo dey. And honestly, anything Badoo Baddest, that combination is bad now. Person and Baddest. What do they expect? Back to back. Let's start from Panuma. Now remember, Panuma, D-Money, Fine Girl, Wale featuring Davido and Olamide. Okay, I think that's the three. Yeah. So like this year, Olamide, no, I think it's Davido featuring Olamide. Honestly, I don't feel wait. Check it out. That's that. OBO X Baddest. Now, OBO X Tenny Makanaki, that one is coming through. Tenny is dropping an album very soon. She has recorded it, everything is set. She's dropping the album. They don't even shoot the video with Baddest, because she dey talk say OBO come, wait for 8 hours. She dey talk, no, OBO na Rigi, I love you bro. Check it out. So like this, OBO and Tenny, they drop a track, Fire Banger. Naira Marley and Mayokun, my president, I'm Malian, Olorun. Yeah, I don't use bet. I'm Malian, exactly. Naira Marley and Mayokun, they are dropping. If you never hear Naira Marley and Mayokun song, okay, make I prescribe for you. Naira Marley dropped EP, Lord of Lamba 2019, featured Mayokun. Don't worry, go jam that song. Honestly, go jam that song. So like this, Naira Marley and Mayokun, they are bringing another fire track. In short, they don't record them, but I don't know who get them. If na Naira or na Mayor, I can't say na my two artists where I like. I don't wait to Jama, go blow go. Zinoliski and Mayokun, that's Kilo Feshe remix. They don't even release that. No, sorry, they never release that. Now just snippet of this video recording shit, sorry about that. Honestly, if you go Jama, go to either Mayokun's page or Zinoliski's page, you see that this Kilo Feshe remix now. Banger. I dey sweat. Okay, that's Zinoliski and Mayokun. And if you remember, last year, Mayokun actually dropped the cover for Zinoliski's Mapariwo. You might as well pariwo, ge. Which of you say, Mayokun, I don't understand though. But no worry. So, Zinoliski and Mayokun, that's Malian Music and GMW, Opogon. Again, Mayokun and Badoo. Yeah. I mean what I say. Confirmed. Bado confirmed it. No, sorry, Mayoko confirmed it last year. Mayoko confirmed it. Say him and Bado get in short. Bado don't send him own verse. Give Mayoko. Shey grab. Maybe say they never know when they go drop am. By a day, Mayoko album. Where we expect. Or I just single, we never know. But Mayoko featuring Bado. The day their producer system like this. Omo, if I catch all these producer, Rexio, Young John, if I catch all of them, now to just keep their alapi, make I the jam song they go tell me. Now they feel me. Okay, so that's that. Mayoko X Bado. Peruzzi Wandeko. Are you there again? You are there, okay? Peruzzi and Wandeko. Now, this big deal about Peruzzi and Wandeko is that Wandeko, shey you sing pass Wandeko, Pele, Celebo. For this Nigeria or this music industry, if you go sing pass Wandeko, I don't know, what dey certain, what we talk through, I don't know. Because Wandeko and voice, Wandeko get voice, everybody sabi that Wandeko get voice, and Baba get lyrics. That's Wandeko and Peruzzi. Bang 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 bang. And shey you grab. Peruzzi sef get voice, him get lyrics. So I don't know what I expect. Honestly, I don't know what I'm expecting from Peruzzi and Wandeko because that is a fire jam. And that song they come out for Peruzzi album since last year. Peruzzi, Rum and Boogie. Wetin dey do all this? When they give us song now since last year, Peruzzi don dey postpone us, don dey put us on trip, say he go drop am, he go drop am. January don finish like this, he never see drop am. If I cash am, okay. Now the last but not the least, before I tell you the two artists, 2019 September, these two artists, an upcoming artist and one of our A-list artists, dem drop song. Shey grab. The song hit. Bam! Mad gone. 2020 again, October, during that NSAS for life, NSAS. During that NSAS period, they dropped another song. Shey grab. 2019, the upcoming artist featured A-list artist. 2020, our A-list featured the upcoming. So this 2021, may I know say they go drop. I know. And guess who? Bado X Bella Shmurda. Hey. Yeah. Bado and Bella. I don't know. The connection between Bado and Bella is just this special, honestly. Because sometimes some people go dey feel say Bado sign Bella. Bado no sign Bella. Bella is signed to One World Music Group. That's his official record label. He's not signed to YBNL or DMW or any known record label. Bella na hustler, but I don't know, this connection between him and Bado is just too crazy, and I love that, honestly. Bado, my daddy, I love Bado, honestly, I love Bado. So I'm saying this because they gave us a track, 5-track 2019, 2020, that's Vision 2020, Triumphant, and this 2021, I know they're gonna drop another fire track for us. You guys should sit for it. Along. Okay? On a sharply note, let's just talk about musics this January, new music this January, videos that dropped this January. Okay? Alright, my people. January music review. Let's just talk about songs that dropped this January. Now, they feel me, these artists they try. It's not easy to sit down to compose song, even for producer to produce. Honestly, it's not easy. Just shout out to everybody. Not only music safe. And comedy, business, it's not easy generally. Shake ground. But let's talk about music. The best video dropped. The best video dropped recently. Me personally, I have to talk my mind. See, the day I see OBU, the day I see the video, I'll tell the video, I'll be like, baddest. Honestly, this is the best video. I expected much from the best video. But notwithstanding, shout out to OBU, shout out to Mayoko, shout out to Dami Twitch for that, and shout out to Fresh. Fresh produced the best. Check it out. Look, the best video dropped. If you are yet to watch it, go and watch it because as I see like this, go straight to you. I expect them back to back. But the best video. Let's talk about this Maven's new signing, this Era Star, Joshimova. That was Era Star. So that's why I'm asking you guys, okay? So there's this thing about this babe. This babe. I love this babe. She's 19 years old. She dropped EP recently nobody knew this girl before. She had never dropped any, let me put it like that, like official single or something. Then that just come one night, boom, just hit us with an EP. But next thing, this EP, omo, e dey top Nigerian rap music o. If no be Bella Shmurda, but una calm down, shey grab. This EP dey trend gan, this EP dey trend, especially that her way or a way dem dey. Take all your trouble. Don't worry, pick your choice. Shey grab. So Era Star, wherever you are, shout out to you. I love you. Okay, okay, let's continue. Baba Fela, cause you better go. Let's not. Let's be. Baba Fela remix featuring Zlatan and Lekon. That's Mr. Real. Yeah, 2019. That was 2 years ago. 2019, Mr. Real dropped EP. General of Olamba. Yeah, you know, General of Olamba. So from that EP, this Baba Fela, yeah, you like saying I blow pass. See, better go. To Baba Fela. Yes. Long. So recently he dropped the remix with Zlatan and Lekon, and trust me, back to back, they killed it. Okay. Kiss Daniel, yeah, Kiss Daniel. I don't know, Kiss Daniel. Baba just date you. He just date you. But he dropped sorry. he dropped single with Bado, Fowls and LK Kudi. Yeah. You know why I jammed this song? Actually, I say the last collaboration with Kiss Daniel, Bado, and this other guy, LK Kudi, where they did with DJ Any Money. That was I think 2018 YBN Mafia Family album. Hey mami, I sexy fire bonita, send that money, yo. A very good song. I like that song. That's why I had to go and I had to just jam this new song. And trust me, currently it's the name of the new jam. Go jam it, go stream it. Kiss Daniel, wherever to you, shout out to you. Leaf Roche featuring Zinoliski, omo logo. Leaf Roche, omo, since that DMW saga, Baba never talk anything, you know, check graph. So let's say after DMW, this is first single featuring Malian act, Zinoliski, his colleague, his nigga, his G. Yeah, they started together, street nigga, also check graph. But honestly, Leaf Roche, I'm a fan of Leaf Roche. I love Leaf Roche, check graph. Now my nigga too. So go jam it, go stream it, omo logo, Leaf Roche featuring Zinoliski, and Likesh released Visualizer for Try. Yeah. If you don't know, let me chip it in. Likesh dropped EP last year, yeah, Ecstasy EP, I think 7 tracks or something. And honestly, it's been long. Keshi. What's it called? Keshi drop on the lab. So check grab. Baba dropped EP for us. I'm a fan of Likesh from the one. Baba dropped EP for us last year, and one of this EP, Try, featuring Young John, his producer. And honestly, Young John and Likesh, they're like this. They get together. Check grab. So he dropped a visualizer for that recently. A lot of songs dropped this January. I know if you talk everything finish. Skibby dropped, many artists, but you get one where I know say una go dey expect here go talk am. Check grab. Are you there? Okay. Bella Shmurda, Rush, hey, them say because my man. Omo, honestly, when Bella Shmurda dropped this jam, the snippet last song, I had to jam it. I want to tell you guys something. I had to jam it once because Timani King Bo, I'll get addicted and I just snip it because my love for Bella Shmurda, I don't know, my love for Bella Shmurda, just Christ, see your body divine. You got to ginger yourself, shake grab, life is short, 50-50, life na dice. Whoosh, last everybody go pany, and so whatever you are doing, you got to ginger yourself more, you got to hustle more, you got to do everything more. Life is short, honestly, life is short. Whatever it is you are doing, you got to ginger yourself, you got to enjoy yourself. That's it, enjoy yourself. And funniest thing is, Bella Shmurda talk say the song, say no be say the video will go viral. You know say Baba go perform for one occasion, he no high. Check graph, he no high, but we talk like that. Baba don't high, so Baba just they may say who. Check graph. So Bella Shmurda was like, the song rush wasn't as a result of him being high or no. He talk say he don't take when he record that song. Shey grab say I just be like coincidence. But me and at the coincidence o, at the day she coincidence o, I dey jam am. I love am. Don't you love the song? You love it. Okay? But Ashmuda, a lot of songs drop. As I said earlier, I know if you talk everything finish. Shey grab ball. Whatever it is, if I didn't mention any of the artists, no vex. No worry, no vex. I dey for now. I have say una dey for me too. Fclef TV, Fclef TV, Fclef TV, your number one entertainment plug. As you always talk, if this is your first time of watching this, like, unnecessary. Share, compulsory. Subscribe, unnecessary, also compulsory. Yeah, you got to subscribe so that you get notified immediately we drop the new content for you guys. Whatever it is that we are doing it for you guys. Share it down. And thanks for the appreciation, thanks for the support so far. Honestly, love you guys. Don't forget, this bread no be what? This bread no be agege, okay? Are you there? Yeah, there. Thank you.